In this video, we're looking at a laptop that might just be it for your work from home or study from home needs. Good afternoon, you beautiful people. Welcome to LAZADA's Tech, where we do tech in your real life in style. So ever since the pandemic started and we've all been stuck at home trying to be productive, trying to work, trying to study, trying to get our stuff done, I've gotten this question so many times. What is a good lightweight laptop to work on? In this video, we're checking out the ASUS ZenBook 14 UX425, also called the ASUS ZenBook 14 because that's easier to remember. So yes, we are unboxing it to see what else this laptop comes with, and we're putting it to a tiny work from home, study from home test. Worth it to note though that this laptop did launch a hot second ago, but this version is different because this is the LILAC MIST version. And yes, that matters a lot because if I'm gonna spend so much of my time studying or working from home on a computer, it might as well look good. Right, let's unbox. Here we go, folks, the ASUS ZenBook. Ooh, surprisingly, that's not a very big box for a laptop. We have all the serious business at the back. Also, Microsoft Office Home and Student 2019 included. Nice. Some specs, so this is the official name for this laptop, UX425J, in beautiful lilac mist. There is a 14-inch LCD, Intel Core i5, 8GB of RAM, Wi-Fi 6, all the other ports, Windows 10. Yeah. Of course, on the side, we have ASUS and my name on it. Wow. First of all, let us appreciate how that unboxed in front of us. I'm not sure if you saw, but it did pop up. How are they doing that? How is it doing that? Oh! I mean, I'm sorry guys, I'm pretty sure you didn't expect me to geek over a box, but that's pretty cool. In search of incredible. Yes. Okay, honestly, this is smaller than I thought it would be. Nice. So this is the ASUS ZenBook 14, the world's thinnest 14-inch laptop with full ports. 13.9 millimeters, 1.13 kilograms, up to 22 hours of battery time, full in and out ports, face login. We'll set that aside because I want to see that sleeve. How? We have the power brick, this wire adapter thingy, audio dongle. There's an audio dongle. We have some paperwork, user guide. What is this? ASUS Premium Care warranty card. Here we have nothing on here. Do I just... Oh, okay. That is a really nice laptop sleeve right there. ASUS detail. Obviously, your laptop won't get scratched if it's in here. Time to take out the plastic on this. Ooh, that's so light. Look at that. That looks so pretty. Honestly, it looks more purple than it shows in the video, but there is a hint of lilac on there that makes it so feminine. I like. Wow. So like we said earlier, that is an Intel Core i5 10th Gen processor, 1.13 kilograms. Yeah, I'm literally carrying it with one hand right now. Face login, 13.9 millimeter thick laptop. Wow, yeah, that is pretty thin. It has a large battery, USB-C, my ASUS, and sound by Harman Kardon. Also, yes, you might notice this is also a number pad. Also, those thin bezels though. Right, so I'm gonna turn this on, set this up, but in the meantime, a montage.
Yeah.
about how this thing looks first because in this case, looks do matter. So the lilac mistiness of this thing is on the subtle side. With right lighting, it looks so good. Perfect because it's a laptop that looks very profesh still, but it gives you that hint of personality. I mean, in laptops and in people, aren't we all just wowed by the right personality? This thing feels sturdy, but it isn't heavy, and I just love that it comes with a case that actually looks good. And in terms of me actually working from home, or from my room, welcome to my office, which is also my bedroom, where all the magic is done. I have a desk where I work, but unlike creators who have like full-on permanent desk setups, I like only working on laptops because I like being able to move around. So first of all, I want to say that I enjoy this laptop size. They say it's the tiniest with ports and I felt that while working on it. I know we're not going anytime soon, but this laptop would be so easy and convenient to bring around when we are finally free to go out in the world. There's an ergo lift hinge on here and that is apparently a big deal because it does a couple of things. Lift the keyboard to a nice typing position, allow air underneath the laptop for efficient airflow, and it's good for the speakers, hence better sound. It's actually pretty cool innovation, but fair warning, it only works best on flat surfaces and not when you're working like this. I did try going on Zoom on this and it did pretty well.
So this is what Zoom looks like and sounds like using the ZenBook 14.
To make it more fun, I've invited someone so we can actually ask him how this all looks to him. I don't know where he is though. This looks nice. Where is he? Oh, is he there? How do I?
Hi,
Hello.
I'm actually recording this. So say hi to the video.
Hi, video.
Oh my gosh. First of all, this is a tech YouTuber's version of those TikToks where they shoot their boyfriend and have them react.
What am I reacting to?
Well, okay, so I am testing out the ASUS ZenBook 14. I'm testing it out for like work from home, study from home stuff. So that is why we are talking on Zoom right now because that's something that a lot of people use. So I am using the webcam on the laptop, which actually isn't bad if you think about it.
Yeah, it's not too bad.
Yeah, and for context, webcams are usually bad. It's not the best, but it doesn't suck.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, this is passable.
Yeah, and then how do I sound?
Sound good.
I mean, I know I sound amazing to you always.
Pretty much. There, you have it on camera. There you go. Send that to everybody. The one thing I will point out, as far as since you're testing this, I'll help you test it. You're not using headphones, and it's doing a good job of rejecting my sound coming through the laptop, so there's no feedback.
That's true. Good point, babe.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, you should check out his videos. He does a lot of like laptop stuff too.
Well, I'm starting to. I have not checked out this ZenBook though, so you have one up on me here. You know what? Since you're talking about ASUS, this one's coming soon, so it's also an ASUS.
Oh yeah, the G14.
Yep.
Yeah. So this
yours is the 15 or the 14?
This is the 14. It's one of the thinnest. Yeah.
So this is the gaming analog to yours. Yeah.
This laptop is very capable. It can probably do light editing and very light gaming, but I wouldn't recommend it for that. This is more for your work from home, study from home setup. It will be more than enough for those things. If you want to do gaming though, that laptop, which Joshua just showed, would be a great choice.
That one that you're using, the ZenBook, right? It's got enough chops for like simple games. So if you're playing with your friends with like Fall Guys or Among Us or any of these popular games right now, those are fine. Those will work just fine. On the flip side, the gaming laptop that has like the stylings of a gaming laptop, this has no webcam. So there's very specific differences between the different lines. So you got to know what kind of user you are.
Yeah, and this is just perfect for me or the people who've been asking for laptops from me because they basically want something compact, thin, light, pretty. I also
And
love that
productive.
this has all ports. This the one thing I find weird about this though, and it ties that back to what you said about me sounding good. It doesn't have an audio jack. It comes with an audio dongle for the USB-C, but it does not have an audio jack.
That's interesting. I actually
It's
didn't think.
interesting.
Yeah, I didn't think about that.
Yeah. Although, I mean, it's a time of Bluetooth earphones. That's another thing a lot of people have asked me about.
And a lot of
So,
people who are doing these video calls, Zoom calls, are probably looking the way I do
yeah.
right now.
Oh, actually, let me test something out. What if I'm trying to present you something and I'm like, hey, listen to what I'm talking about. And I want to sort of like pace around. So in this meeting, we're gonna be talking about how my room is not tall enough. But how does that sound? I look like I'm working out.
It's fine. It's not too bad. However, a larger room and with more people and more noise in it, it might not do as well there.
Mm-hmm.
That's when the earbud will become
Yeah.
important.
Oh, but by the way, though, if you are interested in how to improve your Zoom calls, I also have a video on that, so you can check it out. I think that's it for today. No, I mean for this call. Thanks, you guys. Thanks, babe.
And speaking of everyday Zoom performances, whether it be at work or school, if you're an achiever and you still want to improve the quality of your calls, you can always just plug in a webcam or a mic because the ZenBook 14 has like 2 USB-C ports, an HDMI port if you want to plug it into a monitor, a normal USB-A port, and an SD card reader. Bruh, SD card readers are still so useful up until now. I honestly don't know why they keep on removing it from laptops these days. Unfortunately, it is for the tiny SD cards, but tiny is better than none, so it's still a win. And also, you know what they say about men with tiny laptops? That they have tiny SD card readers. So yeah, this laptop is pretty cool because it's compact in that it's thin and it's light. And also in the sense that it will need no dongles or card readers because it has ports. I did work on the script for this video on this device and I do a lot of scripting and research and getting distracted all on Chrome. Yes, a notoriously clunky browser, which everyone uses anyway. And I had no problems at all. Also, another cool thing, this trackpad doubles as a number pad, which honestly, awesomely useful. ASUS also promises 22 hours of battery life and 0 to 60% in 49 minutes. Although that I haven't personally tried out, but I have been on this laptop the whole day working on this, so... And that, folks, is my quick look at the ASUS ZenBook 14. Definitely a good laptop choice if you're looking for something compact and pretty to work on. I'll put the link where you can get this laptop with all the pricing and the details down below. And that was our video for today. Let me know what you think about this laptop and what questions you might have about it down in the comment section below. If you want to see how I use my tech on a daily basis, find me online. That's at IsaDoes_. Until next time!